You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 29th of April. This is James Spann, Alabama's weather, featuring a chance of some rain through tomorrow, especially tomorrow morning, but this will not be a big rain event, and the weather stays warm this week. And already many questions about the upcoming weekend, even though it's Monday. So let's review all of this new data together. This is the upper air look across the country, and we have the big part of the trough that brought the severe weather to the Great Plains, lifting up toward Canada. And again, we've got a weakening batch of convection approaching Alabama. This is the visible satellite view. And you can see for the eastern half of the state, it's a partly sunny day. For the western half of the state, the sky featuring more clouds than sun. And underneath the clouds, we have rain falling in parts of Mississippi, especially along and east of Interstate 55. Let's go right to the radar coming out of Mobile. Again, we're live here at 2:44. And you can see scattered showers in progress across the southwestern counties of the state. And I got some thunder over parts of southeastern Mississippi, but nothing severe. These are just moderate rain and thunder showers here. Not expecting any severe thunderstorm problems with this tonight, but clearly a chance of showers statewide, initially now in southwest Alabama, then statewide later today, tonight, and tomorrow, especially tomorrow morning. But again, rain amounts probably not all that heavy. Temperatures upper 70s, low 80s around the state today. Birmingham at 79. We've got readings around 80 for Montgomery, Mobile, Huntsville, 83 at Dothan. And tomorrow, same thing, will be close to 80. Then we'll warm up with maybe some upper 80s in here by Thursday. Looks like Thursday could be the warmest day of the week. Well, thankfully, it's quiet across the country today. Things have calmed down greatly. That's the watch warning map. Hardly any issues. And really, severe weather possibilities are very, very low for the rest of today and tonight. We technically have a marginal risk over South Mississippi and southeast Louisiana, the southwest corner of Alabama, but we're just not concerned with severe storms there. A marginal risk over South Texas and one over the far eastern Great Lakes. Tomorrow, the next trough could bring more active weather to parts of the midsection. Got a level 2 out of 5 slight risk from near Wichita to Kansas City, Omaha, back up into parts of southern Minnesota. And day 3, which is Wednesday. Again, got a risk of severe storms well to the west of Alabama. We're thinking the weather here will be dry Wednesday and Thursday as well. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days, and this might be a little too aggressive. I'm not quite so sure we see this much. This is suggesting maybe 2 inches for the Tennessee Valley. Latest model guidance just really not supporting that. I think rain amounts for most spots will be under 1 inch over the next 7 days, and in this map reflecting that for most of the state. So let's go through modeling. Model fans, GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. A little shortwave trough east of Alabama. And again, the better chance of showers will likely be tonight and tomorrow morning. In fact, let's take a look at the high-resolution HER. This is valid tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. Showing showers around through the central part of the state. And again, nothing too heavy. Could there be a rumble of thunder? Yes, but there's no chance of any severe storms. Maybe a few showers moving through the Florida Panhandle. But this seems like the better chance of showers will be tomorrow morning, and then by mid to late afternoon, the bulk of the showers will likely be east of the state. A lot of clouds around tomorrow, highs around 80. This is Wednesday. Partly sunny and warm, mid-80s. Thursday. How about upper 80s? And again, a chance of strong, maybe severe storms well to the north and west of the state with that surface low that's coming up into southern Minnesota. And then Friday, that front is kind of a dead duck. It's drifting in here, and that might kick off a few showers for the northern third of the state Friday afternoon, but I think a decent chunk of the day Friday. South Alabama should be dry. Again, highs in the 80s. So about the weekend, could there be some rain around? Yes, but I just don't think we'll have that much. This is Saturday. Highs in the 80s, a mix of sun and clouds. And yes, we'll mention the chance of a few showers, but probably not many. And the GFS really trending drier on Sunday. Now, this is suggesting the better chance of showers holding a little north of here. And understand, once we get within 60 hours, we'll have a much better look at the timing of the rain chances this weekend. But the bottom line is this. A chance of showers Saturday and Sunday, yes, but I think a decent chunk of the weekend dry, highs in the 80s, some sun out at times. This is a week from today, Monday, May the 6th. Big trough, negative tilt trough back in the western states. Deep surface low that's forming over Wyoming, suggesting some snow for the Rockies. Colorado back into the Wasatch Mountains of Utah. How about that for May? And again, Alabama, maybe a few showers over the northern third of the state, but again, they'll be fairly light and spotty most likely. Let's go out 10 days. Thursday of next week, May 9th, troughing to the north. And again, the better chance of showers to the north. And as we've talked about here for weeks, we just don't see any high-impact event for the next 10 days. That would be flooding or severe storms. We have been very, 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 very blessed this year. And we've had a few tornadoes, yes, we all know that, but not many. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean, a little over 2 inches. That's the green line on that chart. That's between now and the 14th of May. Temperatures not changing much. Highs in the 80s, lows mostly in the 60s, right on through May 9th. And hot off the presses, latest 8 to 14-day guidance, May 7th through May 13th. And once again, we are in the red. Temperatures will likely be above average. Hey, let's roll that Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. What a crowd today. Double Springs Middle School up in Winston County had the whole school in the gymnasium today. Had a great time talking about science, and wow, what a bonanza here. We got cupcakes, and look at this cake. That's amazing. Just absolutely amazing. I would not have a clue how to make a cake like that, but boy, it looked good, and I know that it tasted good, and it was great. But had a great time today. These kids can really, really, really learn the science, and they're into it and had a great time today. So to those wonderful teachers and students, everybody at Double Springs Middle School in Winston County, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. Hey, you guys are really looking good. Tomorrow, going to be headed up to Tuscumbia in the Shoals area to Colbert Heights Elementary School. Tomorrow evening, I'll be speaking at the Lovelady Center Banquet. That's an amazing ministry out in Eastlake. They do so much for women and children. Really, really good stuff. Be looking forward to that. Wednesday, Walter Kennedy Elementary School in Pell City. Then a program at Children's of Alabama. It's Weather Wednesday. First Wednesday of the month, we'll do a program for the patients and their families. Thursday, early Thursday morning, I'll be speaking at the Birmingham Mayor's Prayer Breakfast downtown. Thanks a lot to Mayor Woodfin and the folks for inviting me down. And then after that on Thursday, got the School for Amazing Kids in Helena and Concord Elementary out in West Jefferson County after that. And then Friday, Cherokee Elementary School up in Marshall County in Gunnersville. And Saturday, it's a book signing. We're going to be at Pepper Place in downtown Birmingham. It's imagine their big market day. We're going to be there from 10 until noon. So this we don't do as many Birmingham Metro book events as we probably should, but this is one. So if you're in the Birmingham Metro, come see us. That will be Saturday at Pepper Place. Great. If you've never been there before, it's cool. It's really good, especially when they bring in the markets. But again, that'll be Saturday morning from 10 until noon. And don't forget Weather Brains, the weekly show for weather dweebs, geeks, nerds, dorks, and weenies. Tonight at 7 on the Weather Brains YouTube channel, youtube.com/weatherbrains. And the audio podcast version comes out early tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.